Now, they know they could clinch it today. Let's cross to the King Fahd International Stadium, the floodlights shining down on what is a lovely, calm evening. Here's your commentary team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
Well, the supporters coming into the stadium as we arrived at the ground, they made it quite clear that they're almost terrified of what they're going to see here. It's up to the players to show what proper professionals they are and get the win that they couldn't do, didn't even come anywhere near in the last game.
No, they didn't know a pour. And they're going to need these supporters if it gets a bit sticky, if it's level, going beyond half-time.
Kidd. And it's back to him again. Here's Sang. And the shot's on. Well hit and well saved. And that will be a corner. The referee has given a corner here. It's a threatening corner. Goalkeeper trying to deal with it. And Green. Ramos. Ingham. Jurel. Possession in the midfield area. And it's Robin. He wants it back from his teammate, and there it is, it's come back. Rahal. And in goes the cross. Berbatov! Still in play here. He got there just in time. In the end, a fantastic clearance. Throw in here. Kidd. Ramos. Touch off the player and out. Ramos. And the defenders have left that to the goalkeeper. Proper thing to do. Ramos. Berbatov. Good strong challenge. He's got a chance to cross. And in goes the cross. Clearing their lines from the cross. Goes for goal! That's a good save. And a venomous shot. It's gone for a corner. Berbatov! Fantastic header. Even better save. Good link up. Well, he has a go. Well, that was the shot. Not a bad effort.
No, not bad, but under the circumstances for a player at this level, you would hope that he can work the keeper there.
Rahal. Kidd. Well, he saw the guy could switch the play to and came up with the pass as well. Excellent. Good movement to get to it. Berbatov. Kidd. Juret. He takes the shot. That's a straightforward effort, really, for the goalkeeper. Catching practice. Berbatov. Rocky. That has gone out of play with the deflection. To Green. And he read their minds. Brilliant defending in the circumstances. Ramsey. That's very well read. And here we've got a free kick given by the referee. Here's Berbatov. Fantastic save. It will be a corner. Throw in now. Well, the throw is intercepted. That'll stop the attack. Berbatov. And a quick return pass. To Green. And it's with Robin. Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it. And he goes for goal! A decent effort, just off target.
Yeah, unlucky because he got some power behind the ball, just not the direction.
Sayas. Gonna trust his goalkeeper's footwork here with a back pass. Kidd. Rahal. Juret. Berbatov. Into the middle. Well, we're halfway through and we haven't yet got a goal to bring to you. 0-0 at half-time. They have had a catalogue of chances in this first half, but no goals.
Well, they should and they will be kicking themselves, and it's not a given that they'll keep getting quite so many chances.
Is the kick-off here for the second half. Berbatov. Ingham. What a save, Alan.
Oh, he's positioned perfectly there, the keeper.
Ramsey. Shots on here. Another opportunity wasted by this team. It's still level in the match. Good control here. Quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team. There's the ball in. The players in with a chance. Well blocked. That's out of danger there with that clearance. Goal hit would be absolutely crucial. It would put them in front, of course. Goalkeeper, he can just come out and pick this up. Sayas. Goalkeeper is there for him, and he's played it to him. Well, he's played it into the wide area there, played it well. In midfield, they've got it back via an interception. Ramos. Possession in the midfield area. Rocky. Berbatov. Sayas. Robin. Here's Lee. Ramos. They kept the ball, he's just dinked it past an opponent. He might be through. And that will just bobble on through to the goalkeeper. They've got the ball in the middle of the pitch here. If the opposition back off, they could be in trouble. When the ball gets to here, the attack has fizzled out here. Goal kick. Alan, your view on the attempt at goal? They've got the ball back through a very good interception. Well, he read that passage of play, was able to make the interception. Ramsey gone on one possession back with that tackle. Can he turn away from the challenge here? And Green. Rocky. Here comes the referee Heiner Schnitti, trying to intervene in this situation, needs to intervene. So they're going to have to build from the back, from the goalkeeper, who can come out and pick this up. This could be it. The speed of that attack that caused the problem, but the defending was sound in the end. That looked painful. That's a pulled muscle, I think. They've got to score. They're a goal away from getting promotion, but we are late in the game. Rahal. Well, we could get some news on the injury. I think Jeff Shreves is on the case.
Yeah, a bit of concern from the bench because they can see him feeling his hamstring. Moving a little slowly, but at the moment, he's not signaling.
It's a late free kick here. Hey, let's have another look at that bit of skill.
Never afraid to produce a trick.
Ramsey. And here comes Robben. Oh, he could be in. Here's the chance. It's back. It's their ball again through good intercepting play. Here comes Robben. Return pass. That's a fine tackle. Here's the cross. It looked a good attack. It was even better defending, and they've cleared their lines. He's not let his concentration dip late into this game with that interception. Keeps his team very much in the game. The score's still level. Kidd. Well, the interception there is a good one. In fact, it's a great one because they could have scored an absolutely vital goal from that attack. Well, they've got some concern for the player. He's pulled up lame here, maybe a muscle difficulty. Oh, in goes the cross. It was promising, but the defender was more than equal to it, in truth. That's a clever part of football, isn't it, to backheel the ball like that. Patience is the name of the game at the moment. Great opportunity, in with a chance. There's the shot. The offside flag went up. Fine save from the keeper to keep the match scoreless. Two goalkeepers have done really well in a game that's finished 0-0. What about this as a draw, Alan? Lots of attempts from one team.
Well, there wasn't a lack of chances created, Martin, was there? But on the day, they couldn't take them, and strikers particularly will be disappointed.